Hello my beautiful people, it is Sherry Moulton back with another video. Hope you're having an amazing day. So today's video, we're just going to get right on into it. Today's video is going to be another jewelry one, and I apologize. My channel's not going all jewelry, but yesterday I had a half a day off and Sherry decided to go do something for myself yesterday before work, and I'm like, I didn't get a video ready for today, so I thought I would come on real quick, do a quick little video, show you how to make my brain is not working. These pendants using using nail polish, and I'll show you how to do that. So, but before, I mentioned in the video, shh, not to tell my husband, I bought myself some of the fire pit glass. I bought black, or black, and then I bought the silver, because you can get the chunky stuff at, oh my goodness. And then I bought the silver. So I will be playing with this. This is exciting. Yeah. So anyway, my husband won't care anyways. I just thought, just don't tell him anyway. So with that, I'm going to bring you down and we're going to get right into this. So here, I'm going to show you what to got. So yeah, this is going to be just a quick, short, sweet little video. And tomorrow we're going to have a video tomorrow with some resin and another new mold from Molds and Shapes. So, all right, let's get in here. I'm going to bring you in. The thing is, when I zoom you in, I keep forgetting and I reposition myself, and like my coffee ain't big enough. I've only had half of one, so let me get in here. There we go. The only thing is you can't zoom in before and then turn the camera off because it doesn't stay there. So with that, anyways, long story short, so I'm using the stuff from that kit that I bought from Amazon. So I'm using all of these little glass bezel things that we're not going to use those. And I've got these, the chains. Now the only issue that I'm going to have is, yes, these turned out so pretty from the other day. I don't know if they're going to show up a little better in this lighting. And actually the light wasn't too bad. I might not even have to bring my light to the trailer. Now I did have the other one that I wore it to work to show it off, so it's upstairs. But yeah, this is what we're gonna make. These are so much fun. Not everything has to be expensive, guys. And I found my, oh, here it is. Yeah, that one is just stunning. I might do this again and put a clear black. That makes no sense whatsoever. That kind of contradicts each other. I'm going to put a layer of black and then come in and put those. I think that might pop a little better. So I found my tub. Remember I said I had a tub of nail polishes that I was using for this. Now I did find this one, which is the ones that are in here, but it's a little bit chunky. Where did I put? I had it here. Oh, here it is. So it's kind of weird. It's not as sparkly as the other ones. I don't know what it's the same. Maybe I just put more on it. But I played with this one. My coworker, her daughter wanted like a really deep purple, like a Maleficent. So I made that one. And you just glue the bezel, the bail on. And I only have one bail. So I'm going to make it, show you, and we'll glue one bail on. So we're going to make one complete necklace. So I also did a little one. I was playing around, because you don't have to use that one glitter, but isn't that cute? That is the, this glitter. And then I put this underneath on the back. It's endless, guys. And you can get it doesn't have to be expensive. You can get cheap nail polish, and the only thing is it's only good for so long, right? So let me find a color, because I've got all these. Oh, see, and I tend to, you know, I don't realize I have, and I rebuy. That is pretty bad. Let's try this one. This one's kind of a neutrally color. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm a red girl. I used to love red. Oh, everything was red. So what you do, you start off. Oh, I keep forgetting my hand, and I and I hit in there where I had my surgery. Okay, so we're gonna pull these out. These are examples, but I want to make sure this one I keep aside. So I have squares, we've got teardrops. The only thing is the teardrop, this is a huge bale. They don't come normally that big. See, they come in various sizes. You see how big that one is? So that's why I'm only going to do one today, and we're going to choose, maybe we'll do this big round one. And we're going to play. So ooh, that would be pretty too on the back, that opal. All right, so let's do, I really want to use this glitter. I really like that glitter, but it, and I know it only, glitter, nail polish, and I know it only is good for so long, because look, it's gone all funky. So I'll have to find something similar to that again. Let's, I don't know which one. Let's do this one. Quick and easy decisions, my friends. So all I do is take this and put nail polish on. I might do 2 thin coats, but you want to make sure there's glitter almost like everywhere. You don't want over glitter, but, or the sparkle or whatever you want to call it. Because I find sometimes the more you put on, it'll take it off. I'm just going to pick it up and see. Perfect. I'm going to put something underneath here. I'll just use my phone so you can see the glitter in there. Oh, I'm sorry, turned it on. So I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to probably bring out my blow dryer, give that a blow dry, and if I need a second coat, I'll put it on and I'll show you. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, we are back. This is dry, so that is 1 coat. That I think is enough. You don't want too much. And I'm debating which color, green or the blue. You know me and my blues, but we're gonna go to this nice pearl lime green color. What color does it say? Oh, ivy. There we go. Because it's different than that one. This one's kind of more opaque. So let's see what'll happen. Here we go on this one. Oops, there we go. Yeah, we're in there. And depending on the color, you will have to do a couple coats. Probably good to do 2 or 3 smaller coats, or thinner coats. It's kind of drying as I'm doing it, so. And these are cool. I was always trying to find, I found going to sales, people didn't want to spend money. They want everything for nothing because, you know, it's handmade. But I'm the type, after watching my videos, I'm the type that I would rather spend a little money and have, oh, look at that. That's gonna be pretty. Oops, sorry. It's gonna be pretty. I would rather spend the money than have, like, I always use expensive beads. So I was always trying to find something that was a little cheaper that someone might buy. So these I used to sell, I tried to sell them with a chain, like, you know, came with these chains, right? I always tried to sell them for 10 bucks. Nobody would buy them. So then I started putting them for $5, and then it was still, I have a whole bunch left because nobody was buying them. It's crazy. So I'm going to take my cute little blow dryer. We're going to blow dry that, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, we're kind of dry. We're going to go in for coat 2. If I need 3 or more, guys, I'm just going to do it and show you when it's done, okay? Yeah, so that's what I found. That's what kind of why I got to go doing jewelry, because nobody would want to spend any money. And it's not just product. My favorite thing was chainmail. And that was time consuming, so. I'm not going to come over it again because it's going to come off. So I'm going to let this dry and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is dry. It turned out so cute. Here we go, here we go. Look at that. I'm hoping you can kind of see it. That is just amazing. So now all you do, I just put a little bit of my E6000 Jewelry glue on my little skewer. And you just place it on the bail. And it doesn't have to be a lot. There has to be, you don't want it to gush out. That's the only thing. So I'm going to try and get it there. And then just place it. If you've got a bad spot that you want to cover that didn't quite turn out, and just put it on. I'm going to pick it up here and give it a press down. And these bails are adorable. I can't remember where I got them. Give it a good press in so the glue is attached. And there you go. You've got yourself a little pendant. Okay, so there we go. We have it all done. Amazing. I am so impressed with that. So yeah, check this out. It's fun. It's quick. It's something you can do with your kids, your grandkids. A teacher could do this with, you know, different things. So I'm just going to give you a little show and tell. So this is my friend. I bought her when I was doing my crocheting. So I did a lot of hats and stuff. So I purchased this off of Facebook yard sale. And it's me, typically me. I went to this house to pick up, I went to the door and I said, I'm here to pick up the heads that I was purchasing. And the guy looked at me and he went, heads? Well, here I went to the wrong house. Hilarious. So this guy thought it was really strange. And then I explained to him what I was doing and then he was fine, but it was just hilarious. Could you imagine someone coming to your door to pick up the heads that you were buying? So anyways, so with that, this is a pearl necklace I made. I quite enjoy. I love the crystals. These are Swarovskis. And it's just having so much fun with all this stuff, guys. I did this one. It has, I love using different clasps. This one has a beautiful clasp with the bird. I'll bring it in a little closer. Like, beautiful. Of course, and I throw the one I just did. Yeah, so that is cute. And then with the different pearls and the crystals. And we'll do one more, and then I will leave you and love you and leave you. And this one's very pretty. Oh, I gotta open it up. I can't just put it over her head. Too funny. Again, I love using things that are different. This is a beautiful flower. And it goes on the side. And it ain't sitting right on her, but you get the point. It's beautiful. Again, with the pearls and the crystals. So with that, my amazing people, I hope you have an amazing day. We will have a video tomorrow. With that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It is amazing just what you can do with some nail polish and some little glass pieces. So I'll have everything linked in the description box, what we used here today. I'll bring it down. And with that, if you have not yet subscribed, please think about subscribing. Hit that thumb up if you like the video and hit that bell for notification. And please give it a share if you enjoyed what you saw today. And with that, in the description box, I have the links to Fundy Molds with a discount code. I have the links to where to purchase TriArt liquid glass. I have the link to and a discount code for Let's Resin. My discount code for Let Resin is Sherry M10, capital S, capital M. And I also have the links to where to purchase Krystal Resin with my new discount code. It is Sherry Moulton 5, capital S. And I also have the links, my two amazing Rez distributors. I have Michelle from Artworks Resin Canada. I have her discount code is Sherry Moulton 10, capital S, capital M. Check out her website. She's got some amazing things. And I kind of think I saw there's a little bit of a sale right now. And also, if you want some amazing glitters, go to Laura from Laura's Art Corner, my American Rez distributor and my glitter guru. My discount code for Laura is all capital letters, Sherry Moulton 10. And with that, my Amazon links are in there, which I'm an affiliate with. And also I have my PayPal if you choose to donate and help support my crafting addiction. With that, my amazing people, hope you have an amazing Friday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.